Hello, I'm Jodi Ginsberg of Ginsberg Law Offices. Today I want to talk to you about when is the time to settle a workers' compensation case? Why do insurance companies want to settle a case at times and at other times not want to settle a case? Ultimately, in my opinion, after doing this for a very long time, I can tell you that in most cases, insurance companies want to eventually settle out cases. Not always, but they want to close it down. They want to get it off their books. They want to put another case in the resolved category. The timing of when they want to settle a case versus when you want to settle a case is very different. They're more than glad to settle a case when they can get the doctor to indicate that you are back to regular duty or have very minimal restrictions and you don't need much medical care because the value of your case is fairly limited. And that may not be what's going on with you. You may say, wait a minute, the doctor's telling me to leave his office or her office. I don't need any more care, but my shoulder, my back, my knee, my leg, whatever the case may be, my neck is killing me. I didn't even have an MRI yet, and the insurance company is calling you up and saying, hey, let's get this thing shut down. We'll offer you whatever to be done with it. And folks call me sometimes and say, Jodi, should I settle my case? And I find out what's going on with them. I find out what their medical issues are. I find out what their pain levels are, their restrictions, whether testing has been done, who the doctor is that's seeing them. I know most of the adjusters out there in terms of how they handle their files or the insurance company's attorneys and how they handle them. And I can usually give you some pretty good insight as to what it is they're trying to accomplish and tell you what I would suggest that we do if I'm going to be your lawyer in terms of battling back. Because most of the time, that's what you have to do. You have to get your case in a position to get the medical care that you need, to use it if necessary, if you want to settle, and they want to settle, to get your case in the right place and not just to walk away when they offer you a few dollars. So again, every case is different. Every set of circumstances is different. Your circumstance, your need to settle at a certain point in time may be very different than another person's because they're willing to wait on a settlement and get more medical care. You may not be. Your financial situation may be different. Your work environment, the hostility that you may have at work may be something that you're dealing with or not. Again, it just depends on everybody's circumstance. But having a lawyer with a lot of experience, which we have a lot of, can really give you some insight into what's going on the other side of the case and give you the ability to, if need be, fight back, get other medical care, other medical opinions, and do what needs to happen to put your case in a better position for you to get a fair settlement out of your case. If you'd like to speak about your case, the steps to take to get a fair settlement, and how to work on it in proper form, please give me a call. I'm more than glad to speak with you, and we can discuss whether a case is proper to be settled at that point in time or not. You can reach me at 770-351-0801. Thank you. Hi, this is Jodi, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to know more about all rights and benefits available to you under the Georgia Workers' Injury Laws, I'd like to invite you to download my Georgia Workers' Compensation Survival Kit that I created for folks just like you. Some of the topics I cover include: can I get fired for filing a work injury claim? 8 critical mistakes to avoid. Is it true that the insurance company will hire a private investigator to follow me around and videotape my activities? What happens when the insurance company is late with my weekly wage payments? 7 specific tactics I recommend to maximize your case settlement value. If you or a loved one needs to maximize your recovery from your Georgia workers' compensation claim, you'll find this survival kit important reading. Download your survival kit right now and at no cost. Just visit my website and sign up. It's that easy. Please act now, and as always, I wish you the best.